Hi, I'm Jeremy Crosby.
And I'm Nick Boucher. We're your hosts for the program that's all about your city, Talking Fitchburg.
Every weekday, we pull together the news, events, and information you need to stay on top of what's happening in the city of Fitchburg.
Find Talking Fitchburg on cable TV, Roku, Amazon Fire, Apple TV, and our live stream on the web. Plus, you can find all our headlines and stories on Facebook, YouTube, and our video on demand service. This is your city.
Keep up with Talking Fitchburg and the issues affecting you and your neighbors.
Want to know what's happening in your city? Get Notify Me messages from the City of Fitchburg. Visit fitchburgwi.gov on your computer or mobile device and select the big Notify Me button on the left. Enter your email and/or phone number, whichever is best for you to get notifications. Scroll down the list and select all the topics you're interested in to receive email or text messages about. You'll be notified every time one of your topics is updated. Sign up for Notify Me, one more way to keep up with your Fitchburg government.
All right, noting that it is late, 7:16 p.m., I will call this meeting of the Public Service and Human Services Committee to order. The first item is public appearances for non-agenda items. We have nobody here. We have a phone over there, though. Maybe the phone wants to contribute to the meeting. The next item is the consent agenda, which has the approval of minutes. We have 8 new operators licenses and a change of agent for Quick Trip. We could use a motion on that.
So moved.
Motion's been made. Any discussion? Hearing none, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Any opposed? Motion carries. Next item is we have sound permits for 3 recurring events. The first one is the Smart Local 565 membership picnic. This is going to be held on July 26, 2025 from 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. And it's going to be at McKee Farms Park, 2930 Chapel Valley Road. We could use a motion.
So moved.
Any discussion? Hearing none, all in favor? Aye. Any opposed? Motion carries. Next item is Crohn's and Colitis Foundation, the Wisconsin chapter. They are going to be having an event at McKee Farms Park on June 7th, 2025 from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. using a microphone and some speakers. They're expecting about 200 people. We could use a motion for this.
So moved.
Motion's been made. Any discussion? Hearing none, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Any opposed? Motion carries. Next is the Police Department Community Night Out, which is a pretty well-attended annual event. We usually get lots and lots of people there. That's going to be on August 13th from 4 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. They're going to have some speakers where they play some music and do some announcements and things. That will be at McKee Farms Park also. Any discussion? We could use a motion.
So moved.
And motion's been made. Any discussion? Hearing none, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Any opposed? Motion carries. Next is announcements. Our next meeting is going to be April 8th, 2025. And with that, we come to adjournment.
So moved.
Motion's been made. Any discussion? Hearing none, all in favor?
Aye.
Aye. Any opposed? Motion carries. We